Yo, I wanted to do this video for you guys, basically showing you my new lighting here. I'm pretty stoked on it. I'm going to leave links down below on exactly what I got. Some of it is just stuff that I've had before, so I use like a GVM light that is a softbox here. I was too cheap to buy the Aperture 120D, and this works great. I actually use this for photography. It's awesome. I have these Viltrox lights that I have from over here. They're pretty cool because they go from 3500 to 5600K, and I like to use like kind of a softer yellow for the backlight, right? And then I have these other, they're kind of like floodlights, decorating lights, and they come with a little remote. I got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, I got 4 of them. So I got one for behind my computer, which works awesome for Zoom. I got one for that's behind my drum set, my real drum set. One for my electronic drum set, so it comes back here, and then one for this corner. And you could do any color with them. They look awesome. So the one actually behind my computer, I set to like a yellow, and it just works really good for Zoom, especially when I have this light going. It just looks awesome. So really, really happy with it. So you guys want to do a little tour so I can show you all the lighting? Let's do it. Okay, so we got this light right here that's behind my drums, electronic drums, and I keep this stuff blue. I like it a lot. And obviously the Viltrox is here. That little background, like white stuff, it soon will probably be gone. I'm gonna get rid of that. I need to put like I'm thinking like a bookcase right here with all my cameras, something like that. I'm still kind of in the works for it. This is my GVM light, and this thing's pretty awesome. I think I paid like $200 for it, opposed to paying $800 to $1,000 for the 120D, which I know is awesome, but this works great. And then I have lighting over here. This is a little bit messed up, so that's why I want to get a bookcase for my camera so I can get everything organized. But I have a light here going against the wall. And then I have another light that's over here, but I turn it off during the YouTube channel just to be able to, so basically it's set there. And I think that looks pretty awesome. So, and then the last light is over here. So this is my setup. I also didn't let you guys know that I just got the M1 MacBook Pro. 16 gigabyte, 1 terabyte drive, but I also have a light behind here that I turn on, and it gives me that look, which is awesome. So did a little hack for my computer because I absolutely hate the webcam on this. I think that's pretty stupid that Apple would release this MacBook Pro with the 720p cam. And I go to a lot of garage sales, so I picked up this iPhone 6 at one point, and then I just run it into the computer, and I use this camo software, and it looks awesome. It's really, really good. There is barely any, just basically barely any grain, and with all the lighting and stuff, it looks awesome. So I'm really, really happy with that. Anyway, I'm super stoked on the lighting here and how everything's looking. I've wanted something like this for a long time. Not like that the other videos that I've done have been bad, but it's been leading up to something like this. I've wanted something like this for a while. So leave comments down below what you think, and if there's any extra stuff that you would do on your end to make it look better. But so far I'm pretty happy with this. I think this is looking really, really nice, and it's just going to get better from here. So I am coming up on 200 subscribers. I wanted to let you guys know that I really, really appreciate it. So I will do a video once it hits 200 just to thank you guys, but this is kind of a little pre-thank you just to say, hey, you know, you guys are helping grow the channel, And I am trying to think of new content to bring out that is different from others. I know that a lot of people like the XT4 against the A7 III. Those videos have been getting just tons and tons of watches, and I love that. So I'll have to do some more stuff close to that. I don't have my XT4 anymore. It is a great camera, so I'm not slamming it, but I did want the A7S III, and I'm very happy with it so far. I've used it for lots of commercial application. I've even used it for a wedding for photography, and it's done awesome. So I recommend this camera for sure. But enough with that. That's not what this video is about. Leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe, like, and I'm so happy to be doing this journey with you guys. So thanks again for watching.